understanding what the tags mean. And this is how Adobe Acrobat has organized it using auto tag. H1 means header 1, which is nested within a section text. H1 untagged document title. That is correct. H2 means a header 2. This is a subtitle. So with a PDF, a subtitle would be a header 2. Your main title can be a header 1, as you only have the options of header 1 through header 6. A figure is going to be used for an image. I've made this document pretty easy to follow. You would go through. Header 1 is heading 1. This is not attached to anything, so I'm going to right click and delete that tag. Within this section, you can see everything highlight to indicate what is within this section. So next is a paragraph. That is correct. This is the symbol for a paragraph. Heading 2 is defined as header 1. So I could change that by clicking on its square, going into the reading order panel and selecting H2, and now it has turned into H2 for header 2. Figure, that is correct. If you notice, for both of these figures, it says figure no alternate text exists. Eventually, we will need to put an alternate text. We do not have any alternate text. So under prepare for accessibility, you have an option to add alternate text. Go ahead and do that. And then my second and final image, an extreme close-up of blueberries. And save and close. Let's see if everything is good. I'm going to check for accessibility. Start checking, and accessibility checker tab is going to open. I see that I have 3 issues. There is no title. Okay, I can right click and click explain so I can understand how do I fix this in Adobe. You need to go to File, Document Properties, under Description, and input a title. The other issues it is saying is that logical reading order needs a manual check, and then color contrast will need a manual check. So I guess you will always have those 2 issues because you need to be able to double check that yourself and make sure that everything is good. I have no other issues. I'm going to run the accessibility check again. And now title has passed, everything else is good. Another thing you can check is you can open up an accessibility report and it will give you more details. What is the issue, whether it has passed or failed or needs a manual check, and a simple description for what it is. That is all for prepare for accessibility. This will be good to know to double check if your guided actions, which kind of automatically goes through everything, is correct. This is the end of part 2. In part 3, I will give an overview of lists and tables and other tips.